Hey, welcome. So John is here, and I'm going to talk about ChartDB, that is visualize your database in second. Basically, having on a canvas nicely tables and relationship between them, and also be able to expose and share like how the database looks like. You will be able to build and design your database ERD and share it together with your teammate or work in a collaboration together to have that simply. And it's great for migration, team documentation, and etc. So basically, ChartDB is an open source, so you can go to GitHub, click on the top menu, you will see it over here, or use the cloud version. And we're explaining the differences between the cloud version and the open source, self-hosted, over here if you want to. So you can see all the features that ChartDB provides, and I will, in this video, will do an overview and a very simple things that you can use without even a sign up and without paid subscription or plan. So let's start. Once I clicked on get started, I see all the database that ChartDB support, but in this specific video, I'm going to do an intro on the canvas and how the tables connect between them with a relationship, and how we can simplify and use the demo. So I'm closing that up, and in here, I see the demo database that we provide as a playground. So you don't need to sign up anything or something like that. You can, for example, change the name of the table. So I can click here to see the table specifically, navigate to here. I can double click on the table in the canvas, like make it bigger a little bit. Let's change the name. The name is going to be example. So I can increase the area, and now that includes the table as well. So I can see that we have areas. If I will double click, I can see the areas that we have. If I'm double click on a table, I will see the table on the side panel. So if I now tables include in a specific group of tables in the area, I am able to move them together. And once I'm clicking on one of the table, I'm able to see the connections and the relationship. So I can do it by clicking on the table or clicking on the relationship itself. Once I click on the relationship, I see the cardinality, and that's over here. So it's connected to the line and share that is many, and the line here is one. Based on that, that is the primary key of the table customer. Double click on the table will take me to the table on the left side, and I can see that the customer ID is an integer and is the primary key of the table. Also, I can see indexes and having comments. Every one of the fields in the table, I'm able to describe the max length if it's relevant, for example, character or varchar, and the comments. Let's say I'm having a comment. Simple. Once I did that, I can see that on the canvas as well. And that's basic things that we can do with ChartDB, is to work and go through the different tables and relationship and make it visually and work an adding table or taking this table, change that. Let's say it's an integer. And now I'm very simply able to take and connect. And now I'm having a simple relationship between the tables. That's it for now. And this is the introduction for ChartDB. Hope you continue to the next chapter. Have a good one.